are making granola, and this granola is super simple and it tastes amazingly and is filled with benefits. So let's get started. So today we are making a granola that is so filled with benefits, and to make it at home is such an amazing option. If you go to the store and you can buy it, it's easy and simple, but the granola in the stores are probably filled with bad fats, sugars, and preservatives. And you really want to fill your body with love and the nutrients that you will need. And this granola is filled with micronutrients and it's amazing, tasteful, and you just feel so blessed when you eat it. Let's start and we will make it. Bye. See you next time.